I'm going to Paris. TJMaxx. See? Just call me Beyonce. Let's stay with accessories. Anklets. So cute. I think it'd be perfect. Nice. What? This 8. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Natanya. Hope you guys are doing well and staying safe. So today's video is going to be a little bit different because, as you know, I'm going to Paris. I was going to say something in French, but I don't know anything, so that's not it. But nevertheless, I'm going to Paris. Myself, my sister, and my mom. In the early clip of the video, in the early part of this video, you're going to see when I'm kind of going through my closet, kind of showing you what I'm thinking about taking. Now I know what I'm taking, and I've done a little bit of shopping, so I want to show you a few things. I really want to do a pack with me, but time is not. It's tight. So I'm going to show you what I'm taking. I'm going to talk you through my process of packing for this type of trip. Normally, I go on trips with JB and Jackson. So, because it's Paris, and when I did my research on Pinterest and I stalked some of the fashion girls that I love so much, Hilo, Lux, Janae, Monroe, all those beautiful black queens, and can I get inspiration from them? This is what I came up with for myself. Okay, so let's see. Let me talk about the accessories first. Hold on, wait. This is one I just got. Can you see it? Hold up, girl. Come on, get in the camera. This is one I just got from TJMaxx. So I went to TJMaxx. I got some jewelry. I got this one that I have on right now. I got this. It's white. It's like leather, and then it has the gold on it. So pretty. This was $12.99. Go to TJMaxx. You hear me? Go to TJMaxx. This as well. This is really pretty. I got that. It's really pretty. It was $10. I got this little pill case for JB. Always pressure me about taking vitamins and stuff, so I can have it in here and he cannot fuss anymore. I like sunglasses, but sometimes I lose them and I don't know what works for my face. So I try to buy them inexpensive or from Amazon, and then based on how they look, then I'm going to invest in the real thing. But I saw this from TJMaxx, Jessica Simpson. This was $10. That's not bad, and I can lose that and not worry about it. This is kind of cute. This is True Religion. This was $13. It has this little, see? When they see me in the Paris street, just call me Beyonce. Okay. And then I also got another pair of earrings. This one right here. Really pretty. I was on Amazon, and if you know my friend, you guys know her, Frugal But Chic. She has a fashion channel on here. Check her out. She always gives all the great Amazon finds, and I bought some stuff using her links. But I saw her in something similar to this from Amazon, and I saw the girl is wearing this, and it's very cute. Hello, somebody. Hi, Natty. Girl, hey, what you doing here? That's me in Paris. I also got this little pillow. The flight is 7.5 hours. I don't want their pillows. I don't want their blankets. So I gotta get like a blanket to go with this. And because of the vibe, maybe like a cream blanket or blue. Then let's stay with accessories. So I was talking to my son, and he was like, "Ma, do you know that anklets are in?" I'm like, "Anklets? Okay, whatever. Let me show you the anklet." I went on Amazon, right? It's 3. This is 2. I have 1. So it's like the larger one, the larger lengths, the smaller one, and the smallest one. And you do a stack on your ankle, you know, and give that look, okay? I've always wanted a Chanel brooch, but I don't want to jump and buy it yet. So I find something similar on Amazon. I see the girl is putting the brooches on the hats, even on the, if you into Rihanna fashion, she does brooches and everything. So I found this, which is so cute. Can you see it? So cute. And a tank. Then y'all know I love me some Gucci, so I found some Gucci inspired brooches on Amazon, because I'm gonna test the waters first before I buy it. Okay, I know I'm really close to the camera, but hey, hold on. This is new for me, so just take it, okay? This is so pretty. Imagine them together. Then, look at this. Look at this bag. Look at it. It's the detail. See what I'm saying? It's the detail. I was in Bloomingdale's and I had some rewards from Bloomingdale's and I didn't want them to go bad. Maybe like $200 worth. And I started the bag in Bloomingdale's. It was $175 and it was on sale, 25% off. No, it's $118, I'm sorry. And I bought it. It comes with a long strap. I think it'd be perfect in Paris. I need to have my hands free to just enjoy the moment, let the hair blow, let everything show, and then have my little bag under a crossbody. It's really, really inexpensive, but it's very, very cute. So I got that. I love it. If you know, you know. The shoes of the summer is the Sambas. Okay? With the socks, with the anklet, with the anklet. These, I'm gonna tell you a story. So in my head, I already had the outfit in mind. You know, nice big balloon skirt, nice crop top, you know, the Sambas, the anklet, the big hoops, and the bag. So I got the pieces, created the outfit, and I called my little sister who is traveling with us next week. And I was like, just call her on FaceTime just to show her because I'm excited. And she didn't pick up, so she called me back. And I was in my excitement, I sent her the video of myself in the outfit just so we can connect when we talk. And she called me back and she said to me, oh, it's nice. What? Nice? Girl, this ate. My son, don't ignore me. You look good, okay? So I got this one and I love it. My amazing husband was out and he bought me another pair. He bought me this pair. It's a little bit, the bottom's a little bit thicker than this one. But when I talk to people who've been to Paris, they always, one of the biggest things they said to me is just make sure you have comfortable walking shoes because it's a lot of walking. So I want to make sure I have some good walking shoes. So I think this would suffice. As a little girl from Jamaica, waking up on Sundays, going to church all day, I remember used to wearing dresses and skirts that looks like this, that are balloon ends. I remember that just plainly. Can I find a picture? I don't think I do a picture, but I just remember wearing these other things, you know, white, pink. This piece right here is from J. Crew. It was on sale for like $50. Guys, it is short. Now, hopefully, I won't flash nobody in these international streets. But I promise you, if that do happen, I promise I will have on very cute underwear. But I'm rocking this in Paris. It has been, yes, I'm rocking it in Paris. I love it. I love it. And it has pockets. Okay, here is the skirt. This is the skirt I was talking about that I put with this, that I put with the Sambas. It's from Zara. I paid $50 for it. It has pockets. It's a vibe. Listen, I'm what? Oh, how old am I? Hold up. I'm 42. Hold on. Oh, geez. I'm going to be 43 in a few weeks. I gave birth to three boys, 3 amazing children. My body has, I have issues with different aspects of my body. And every day I get up and I tell myself, you know what? This is where I'm at in life. This is what I have. I truly love fashion. I love dressing up. I love feeling girly and pretty. And I'm learning how to just embrace what I have. And wearing a beautiful flower skirt with a little cute crop top. If you're going to see the gut, you're going to see the gut. Say hi. You know what I mean? And then say bye. But I'm going to wear what I want to wear. And anything that makes me feel beautiful and sexy, I'm going to get it. Okay? Thank you. I don't know if I showed this in an earlier video, but I have this silk skirt. It's long. And one of the things the fashion girlies talk about is do the opposite. If you're going to have on a short bottom, do a more conservative top. If you're going to have on a very conservative bottom, do a sexy top. So this is one of my more conservative bottom, this silk skirt. I'm going to go sexy. It's this denim top that has no buttons. It just has a little string. And I tried it on. And it looks so, so good. The denim and the cream. And then I would just pair it with these Louis Vuitton dance sandals. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. It's fun. And this is the little crop top that I had on with the skirt. This is my luggage. I really want to get, and I might get it when I go to Paris, like a nice luxury duffel bag, but I'm not gonna get a luxury travel suitcase because the airport has no respect for the luggage. So I got this luggage set, and I have some packing cubes that I'm gonna use to pack. If you guys have never used packing cubes, please try it. It changes everything. And try and get one that has like a laundry bag, or just get you like a travel laundry bag system so you can have that when you're coming back and pack your stuff in. What else did I get? Okay, my sister told me to get these chargers. Got these from Amazon. I bought some new fragrances. Jo Malone, Red Roses, and they just came up with these new scents. Well, I just saw them, these new scents. Jo Malone Sunlit Cherimoya, and then Jo Malone Yellow Hibiscus. Yeah, that's that. I have a vacation. I don't think I'm gonna take any heels with me just because I may carry one pair, but I'm gonna carry like these 2 tennis shoes, this Louis Vuitton sandals. I have a pair of Hermes slides and maybe a pair of heels just to have. I did my braids, so I'm excited about these boho braids to be in the streets, in these people's streets. So I'm excited about that. So I'm gonna have fun with my hair, with scarves and hats and different things like that. I am so excited. I am so excited. This year so far has been truly amazing. And I'm so grateful that I have this chance to go on this amazing trip that's on my list for the longest time. Thank y'all so much for always supporting me. The next video we're gonna go back to home decor, but this is another side of me where I love traveling, and I'm happy that I'm able to do it. And I used to say this before, and I'm gonna start saying it again. Don't allow others to limit your creativity. Many months ago, I wanted to quit creating content. You know, I talked to my friends about it, and they all encouraged me to stay. And I'm so happy that I stayed, because if I didn't stay, I wouldn't be at this juncture in my life where I get to meet so many of you guys. You guys are supporting me and helping me live the best life possible. So thank you so much. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. New video posted every Sunday morning around 10. That's the goal. And yeah, that's it.